Welcome to our VirtuaLaw legal analysis series. In today's episode, we will discuss the case of SBank v. Senate Impeachment Court, GR number 200,238. Let's dive right into it. Facts. The Philippine Savings Bank, SBank, and Pascual M. Garcia III, as president of SBank, filed a petition for certiorari and prohibition seeking to nullity and set aside the resolution of the Respondent Senate of the Republic of the Philippines, sitting as an impeachment court, which granted the prosecution's requests for subpoena duces tecum ad testificandum to SBank and or its representatives requiring them to testify and produce. Before the impeachment court documents relative to the foreign currency accounts that were alleged to belong to then Supreme Court Chief Justice Renato C. Corona. SBank argued that the subpoenas were issued without probable cause and that they violated the bank's right to privacy under the Constitution. SBank also argued that the subpoenas were beyond the jurisdiction of the impeachment court. Issue: whether or not the Senate Impeachment Court has the jurisdiction to issue subpoenas to banks requiring them to produce documents pertaining to the foreign currency accounts of a public official who is facing impeachment. Ruling: the Supreme Court held that the Senate Impeachment Court does not have the jurisdiction to issue subpoenas to banks requiring them to produce documents pertaining to the foreign currency accounts of a public official who is facing impeachment. The court reasoned that the power of the Senate Impeachment Court to investigate and try all impeachment cases is limited to the specific allegations contained in the impeachment complaint. In the case at bar, the impeachment complaint did not allege that Chief Justice Corona had any foreign currency accounts. As such, the Senate Impeachment Court had no jurisdiction to issue subpoenas to SBank requiring them to produce documents pertaining to Chief Justice Corona's foreign currency accounts. The court also held that the subpoenas issued by the Senate Impeachment Court violated SBank's right to privacy under the Constitution. The court noted that the bank's right to privacy is protected by the Constitution, and that this right cannot be overridden by the Senate Impeachment Court's power to investigate and try impeachment cases. Significance: the decision in SBank v. Senate Impeachment Court is significant because it clarifies the jurisdiction of the Senate Impeachment Court and the right to privacy of banks. The decision also sets a precedent for future impeachment cases, ensuring that the rights of all parties are protected. That's all for this episode. Stay tuned for more legal insights in our future episode. Remember, understanding landmark case helps us comprehend the intricacies of our legal system. See you next time. Like and subscribe.